Hello there and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds. And today we have the great pleasure of offering you this wonderful Porsche Macan. So what we have in front of us here is a 2021 Porsche Macan V6 S. It's finished in the classic Crayon Grey with an extended Agate Grey Leather Upholstery. Now this vehicle has covered only 9,070 miles. It has a full Porsche service history and £13,238 worth of factory fitted optional extras. Now the service history on this vehicle, 22nd of February 2023, so very recently, at 8,957 miles is when it had its first service completed, of course, at Porsche. Now the list of specification, which we'd certainly like to cover on this video, I'll take you through those details. So we have very clearly the 21-inch GT design alloy wheels finished in the Satin Grey, which match this vehicle absolutely perfectly. And they were a £2,660 factory option. We also have the extended Agate Grey Leather Upholstery at £2,247. The Crayon Grey paint at £1,676, and up top, Panoramic sliding sunroof with electric blind at £1,166. Now we'll be heading inside the vehicle in a moment where we'll see some more of the options, but just to list a few of those, we have a 14-way comfort front seats with memory package, which was £1,044, a full BOSE surround sound system at £834, lane change assist at £413, the side blades painted in exterior colour at £404, a reversing camera as well as the front and rear parking sensors at £362, privacy glass we can see from the B pillar backwards, tying in all of that exterior styling very well at £333. We have the Porsche logo painted in matte black, our model designation painted in high gloss black at £329. The LED main headlights with the Porsche Dynamic Light System Plus, which is the PDLS Plus, at £320. A heated windscreen at £303. Heated seating front and rear at £294. An auto-dimming interior rear view mirror at £252. A heated steering wheel to match those all-round heated seats at £189. A mechanical roll-up sunblind for the rear side windows, which we'll be having a look at when we head inside the vehicle. It was a £185 option. The side window trims in the high gloss black at £143, which ties all of that privacy glass in very well. And last but not least, a 75-litre fuel tank, which was an £84 factory option. So heading inside the vehicle is where we're going to see some of those options. So here we have the absolutely stunning new look interior to the Macan. Quality and condition of everything that's seen here is absolutely stunning. You can see up top where we have the panoramic sunroof. Of course there is that electric blind to cover for some privacy, but that will tilt and slide all the way back. And the new look across the dashboard, keeping everything very neat and tidy with the same level, if not more, functionality than the previous models. Have a look into the rear of the vehicle. We've got those side blinds in position currently, but of course with that privacy glass combined as well, make for a very nice space in the back of this car. And we can see the separate ventilation along with those heated seats and additional power supplies for rear seat passengers. So yes, we are incredibly proud to be bringing this vehicle to market. It looks absolutely stunning with that list of equipment, and its history makes for a very, very nice Porsche Macan. And here at AMT Specialist Cars, we like to look after each and every customer and provide a very well-rounded service all under one roof. So should you have any funding requirements, please do get in touch and we'll happily contact our panel of lenders and come back to you with the very best quote. We also have, for any vehicle that's outside of manufacturer's warranty, our partners at Warranty-Wise, who are on hand to provide us with market-leading extended warranties up to 3 years. And finally, if you would like your vehicle keeping in this condition, we have our partners at Autoglim with their Life Shine product, where the exterior paintwork has a liquid carbon technology designed to bond with that and the glass to keep the exterior of the vehicle looking like this for much longer. And on the interior, where we have either leather or cloth upholstery, our professionals are able to cover that as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I do hope you find it informative. If there's anything that's been missed, please do get in touch and we'll happily provide you with another personal video. Thank you once again, and bye for now.